Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you 5 different social media apps that you probably never heard of, but you'll find super useful. And I do have complete tutorials on some of them that I'll link below in the description if you want to dive deeper. Let's jump in. The first one I use every single day, a social media app for film lovers where you could discover films, where you could follow other friends and see what they like. Let me show you how it works. On the homepage, you're gonna see popular films in the week. You're gonna see films from your friends. You could press the plus sign and add your own. Just like this, you could give it a star, you could leave a review, and you could save it to your diary. And on your profile, you have a diary of all the movies that you've seen lately as you log them here. And you could find your friends here and follow them just like any social media app and see their favorite movies and their recent history too. My favorite option is on the search, where you have a list of 250 movies of all time, and you could also search by release date of any decade, and for example, jump into any year and see the most popular movies based on this app's review. The next one is called Shoplook, and it's an app for making outfits here, but you could also use it as just a mood board creator. You basically have a blank canvas where you could design just like this. Let me open it up to show you. You could create a username here and design and post to the platform just like this, and people could follow you, people could like something, people could comment on it. It's very, very easy to use. You could also create your own. So press the plus sign here, you'll get this canvas, and you could press the plus sign and just design exactly from this menu. Very, very easy, very, very fast. And you could use it as a discovery platform and see trending products and get outfit ideas just from this page. There's also a challenges page where you could participate in challenges here, jump into any of these, see what the challenge says, and create an outfit based on that challenge, and then post it on Shoplook. Again, the app is called Shoplook, and you could also use it on shoplook.io on the website. This one's a social media app called Greenroom, but it's made by Spotify, the big live streaming music platform. And Greenroom is for live talks. So let me go ahead and open it up to explain. In Greenroom, you have these things called rooms, and you could join any room and listen into conversations. So conversations could be about many different topics. You could also create your own room here, select a group, and then allow it to record that room too. And then other people that are on here could jump in and listen to live conversation as well. This is all live, and it's like another app called Clubhouse, which is a very popular social media platform that works the same way, but this one's designed by Spotify. Very, very easy to use. Next, we have 1 Second Every Day, which is a video diary app, but it's become a full-blown social media platform lately. So you can basically take a little clip, a little video clip every single day, and then make a movie of your whole year or your whole month, for example. Let me go ahead and open it up. And all you have to do is press the plus sign on the homepage, and you could do these things called freestyle collab, where you could actually share and create videos with up to 6 people, making it a full-blown social media platform. And when you go to create here, if you press the plus sign, you could give it access, and then you could basically take a little few seconds of every single video clip or photos and make a collage where you could just go ahead and press play on and then watch it here and make some edits and then share it outside of this app too. And then you have this app, which is a karaoke singing app. Really, really cool. You could find it in the App Store too. Let me go ahead and open it up here. But you could basically sing along with popular songs here. You could do solo, you could do duet, and you could do a group sing, and you could ask other people to join you. Now, unlike other social media apps, this does have paid upgrades here, but it does have a free 7-day trial. So you could start completely for free and see if it's the right app for you. Now, if you want to see a deeper dive, I do have videos on some of them in the description below, a full tutorial, and I'm making more every day on new ones. And I'll make top 5 and top 10 lists coming up in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.